Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this Volkswagen T2 Pickup from Hot Wheels. This is part of the HW Art Cars series, number 1 of 10. And this also says new for 2017, which means it's from last year because it is now 2018. I think we've seen this one before in some different paints and decals. This one says Hot Wheels down the side. It's got some pretty cool black and red and white decals on it and some great rims. So I think we'll open this one up and see what it looks like. So here we have our Volkswagen T2 Pickup out of its packaging. And if we look at the sides, we can see that great Hot Wheels cool font down the side and some just blocks of red and black and white. It's a really bold kind of artistic treatment for this. It's got a logo at the top. Really cool. And we can see these huge red chrome rims that are hidden under here. It looks really cool. They're gigantic for this truck, so that's pretty cool. If we turn it around the front, we can see that classic Volkswagen front end. You take a look at that there, and the VW logo, those great big headlights, and a nice chrome bumper. Some nice detail on there, and it sits so low to the ground, really low. And if we see the passenger side, we can also see the same Hot Wheels decals. Looks really cool. And then back at the back, just an exhaust and a motor sandwiched back here. And some tiny little taillights. And then this huge cargo bed, which is just flush with the top. There's no indent or anything. And I think the original, don't quote me on this, had flip-up sides to keep cargo in. But this one does not have any movable parts other than the wheels, as we can see. So this one is from the late 60s, 1960s. The package says 1968, but this casting is from 2017. So it's really cool. I like it. I'm not sure it would be very good on the track, but I think it looks really cool, and you could probably put some smaller casting on the top if you wanted, like a little motorcycle or maybe even a Mini Cooper, who knows. But anyway, I really like this one. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.